This is the moment we've been waiting for. We're going in the box and paint. We're getting there. I'm that excited. Let's go for it.
Okay, so it's Wednesday now, and we are starting to, or Jamie's starting to, sand everything down. So now we're looking at this, it's on its final sand. He is using 400s paper, so it's hard to show it on the camera, but it's so smooth. I know you talk about a baby's bum, but nah, it's more shiny than a baby's bum at least. So that is the first door done there, and we'll just have a nice comparison. We've got the before shot there. That's what it looks like before, and we've got the after shot there. So a beautiful finish on it. This is going to look so nice when it's got colour on it. I wish you could see the quality of this sanding, paint, filler job. The amount of work that's gone into these panels is amazing. These look really, really nice. I really can't wait until Saturday when this gets some colour on it. It is going to look amazing. I'm going to leave Jamie to this tonight. I'm not going to help him. I don't think I dare put a piece of sandpaper on this paint. So I'm going to let him do it. And then on Saturday we'll mask it all up and it will get its final colour. So I'll leave you there with a quick before and after finish there. This is going to look amazing. Keep on watching this video and you'll see it on Saturday when it starts to get its colour on it, but it's going to look fantastic, I promise you. Join me on Saturday. Right, it is Friday evening. We spent the last couple of hours just sanding down the last parts, the roof. Still looking flat and amazing. The rest of the wings, the bonnet, everything is done. Last coat of primer's been rubbed down now, 600 grip, and we're just sanding it all off, masking it all off now, ready for tomorrow when she gets final colour. So join me tomorrow in the box. Right guys, it is Saturday. It's finally Saturday. It's going. She's going in the box today. It's Saturday. She's getting paint. It's fine. I can't believe it myself. It is Saturday. In a few hours, she'll have paint. She'll finally have paint. We've got a little bit more sanding to do. I'll show you that now. Got a little bit more sanding around the edges there. There's these little few bits here that are left shiny now. There's not much. The roof's pretty much done. There's, look, like I say, these edges along here. The roof's pretty much done. The sides are all done. The rear end is done. This side's all done. Doors are all done. Boots all done. So probably about an hour, maybe an hour and a half sanding. A bit more masking around this edge here, around the windscreen. Leave the door open until we can get it in the box. Masked up the last thing we do, and then she's getting colour. She's getting colour. Finally getting colour. Yeah. Let's crack on with some work then and get her in the box. Here we are then. Long time coming, but we're finally in the box. We've got the door to mask off, and that's about it. The doors are ready to go. Boots there, ready to go. The other door's there. She's all masked up, apart from the door now. Just do the wheels and the door opening, and then she's ready to get some colour. It's been a long time coming, but we are finally there. Finally, soon gonna have a colour. Oh, I can't wait for it. Let's go.
Hi there guys. Right, it is Sunday. I've been like a little baby all night, waiting for Christmas Day, hardly slept anything and dying to get up in the morning. 10 o'clock, we picked the trailer up and we went off to the place where the car's been painted, and we picked her up. I haven't filmed anything while we picked her up. We picked her up on a trailer, brought her to my workplace, dropped her off, then we've had to go back and pick the doors up and come back here, and we've had to go back and pick the boot up and come back again. So it just felt like a lot of driving around and not really much to see. So now we've done that, we dropped her off here, and I've had Mrs. the mechanic with me, and we've been busy, basically. So let's have a look what we've been up to. Right, so here we are at work, and right, I'm not going to put you out your misery anymore. We've put the doors back on again, and we've put the boot on. Doesn't she look amazing? Look at that bodywork. It is fantastic. The bonnet is absolutely amazing. Look how straight everything is. Beautiful colour. I love it. I really love this colour. The doors are all hung nice and straight. Everything works perfectly. And the roof, the dreaded roof, the roof that we spent so much time doing, looks amazing. Look at it, not a flaw anywhere on it. She is so beautiful. Look at that. We had a bit of problem with the paint. The guy that went to paint it, he's a German guy. He's a really funny guy, actually, but he's German. And he went off to get the colour code. I said, yeah, it's Aztec bronze. And he went off and he came back and he went, Scheisse. They didn't have enough paint to mix it in Aztec bronze. So then we had to kind of work out what we're going to do now then. So we ended up taking a picture of it with their camera that they've got and put it in the computer. And it's a Porsche colour. So she's painted in Porsche paint, which is quite cool. I never knew that Porsche had nicked the Ford colour. That must be what it is, I'm sure of it, but there you go. Anyway, we have put the doors on today. We've put the boot on, as you can see. We've also had the complete interior out of it, and I can't really show you at the moment because there's so much stuff in there. Mrs. the mechanic has cleaned the floor on here. She's gone mad with the cleaner this afternoon, and that carpet is looking absolutely amazing. It came up really, really well. It's really, really red now. It looks beautiful. She's done such a massive job today, and it looks amazing. So we've put the seats back in again, put the carpet back in again. The doors are on at the moment. There's no locks or anything in them, so I've just taped them shut just to stop them from wobbling around. But there she is, guys. She's finally got a colour on her. Yeah, I'm just happy. Look at that. It's like Christmas all over again. It's amazing.
Join me in my next video. I'll start putting more of it together, and as I put more of it together, I can start filming it and let you know what I'm going to do to it. So yeah, join me in the next film. If you like what you've seen, press that subscribe button, and you can see the rest of it getting put back together again and getting it back on the road. I've got to re-MOT. The time's gone out now, so I've got to put it back for another MOT. But at least now I know she'll go through the MOT as soon as my seatbelts turn up. Anyway, so yeah, join me in my next video and we'll put it back together again. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye. Right, I just want to say a massive thank you to LT-Lack. That's the company in Luleå that I've been doing the work with. I also want to say an enormous thank you to Jamie. The countless hours that we've spent doing this car. It took us 5 weeks to do it. He spent hours, evenings, weekends, so much time we spent doing this car, but it looks beautiful. And I also want to send a special thank you to Heiko, the German that painted the car for me. It looks amazing. So just a massive thank you to you guys for all the work that we've done, and yeah, I'm really happy.